Hi, welcome. My name is Jeffrey. I'm in charge of the sales here at A&M Manufacturing. Today I'm going to show you a Bulldog 30. This boat is 30 foot on deck, 32 LOA, and 12 foot beam. This particular version can carry 18 passengers plus one captain and one crew. This is an inspected vessel, so it comes with a stability letter, and the client will get a certificate of inspection by the Coast Guard to allow them to work on the water. This particular boat right here is going to the west coast of Florida. First, we'll take a tour around the boat, then we'll get inside and show you the interior, okay? Follow me. Along the side already, what we can see is this is our XL hulls. It gives you about 3 foot of freeboard. This particular boat is rigged with twin Suzuki outboards, twin 150. The Bulldog 30 does not come with jack plates, however, it is an option if you desire. We have at the back, onto the back deck right here, our fuel tank hidden inside a dock box. You'll notice that we do not have any intrusion past the waterline. This is our bilge pump, but nothing, and even that is above the waterline clearly, but nothing under. We have 6 stainless steel cleats around the boat, and right here at the bow we have our spotlight, an extra stainless steel cleat requested by the client, and our anchor box. All right, let's get on to it. All right, welcome on board. Right now we're here on our bow deck, so this is a nice comfortable area for passengers to board and disembark the vessel. We have our anchor box right here, going through a nice large gate that's ADA approved. You'll come into the boat. This particular layout is what we call a bus style layout. You'll have bench style seating on either side of the boat. Very comfortable cushion and backrest for this particular boat. Again, this is 18 passengers, but plenty of room. You'll also notice that this has a soft top 2/3 of the way, which is standard. However, this client also opted for an option to have the life jackets stored inside underneath the soft top. This is a really good option for anybody who wants to keep their life jackets nice and clean and still easy to access. They're clearly noted. Right here we do have a gate that gives access to the rescue ladder. Obviously this particular boat is going to be used as a water taxi, as a ferry, to go back and forth, so they won't use this to go down at the local sandbar or at a beach. However, in case of an emergency, you need to carry one of those on board. 2 dock box style seating at the back, that gives you also a good idea of how it looks like. This provides storage inside. Again, cushion and backrest. A small dock box here too. And right here at the back we have the helm. Dual engine controls. All your switches are right here. You do have standard also underneath our soft top, those small little lights, those are courtesy lights. Those do come standard with our soft top. Inside the helm seats, you'll get all your important battery switches and fuses. Very easy to access, clearly laid out for the captain. This is usually where the bathroom, the head on board, will be located. However, this particular client, since they're just going back and forth, does not need a head. They still requested to have the enclosure, and that gives them a lot of space, as you can see, for either clients to change or to store belongings. Finally, right here, we do have access to the stern platform. Again, inside this dock box, this is where we have our fuel tank located for both the engines. 50 gallons split into 2 with an easy access for both the filters, the fuel filters, and for the fill-up. Thank you so much for watching. This was a great tour of our Bulldog 30. If you have any questions, you can comment. You can also like the video and subscribe if you like some more. We try to do a tour of most of the boats coming out of here. If you have any questions, you can go on the website. It has a lot of information, but feel free to contact me directly as well. You'll have my phone number listed on there and an email contact form. Thank you so much, and see you on the water.